to my channel, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am back. I still have another little mini vlog that I need to upload, but anyway, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Ease Life Vlogs. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share all of my videos. Thank you in advance. Okay, let's get down to business. Today is Monday, and I have a lot to do. Okay, I really have a lot to do. Okay, so I'm starting with my bathroom because I am stripping my whole bathroom, and I am putting up new shower curtains, rugs, all that good stuff. Okay, so but tonight I'm just going to take everything down. I already took a shower, so I took a shower before I take everything down, because when I take everything down, I'm trashing it, and I'm going to pretty much spray my whole bathroom down. I'm gonna let it sit overnight, and then I'm gonna come in here and clean this bad boy when I get off work tomorrow. So this is the plan. This is the plan. All right, this is the plan, and we're about to get started. First, I'm gonna say it's about that time that me and my fiance are merging together in one household, and he is moving here to South Carolina, and he will be here this coming Monday. So I have days until he gets here, and I am trying to redo some things because you know, you have to take out the old and come in with the new, and you don't want to have what I personally don't want to have, you know, certain things that I don't want in here anymore. I want to just kind of start over new. This is a new chapter in my life, so you know. Okay, so anyway, I am about to, I don't even know where I left off at, but anyway, that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to redo some things and make it about my new chapter, my new journey, and I want to get rid of some of the old things that were here. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so these are the things that I'm throwing away. Everything in this bathroom, shower curtain, rugs, all that stuff, it's about to go. I'm about to redo this shelf right here. This shelf is, I'm taking all of that off. All that's gonna come off, and I'm going to, y'all, I'm ashamed. This is junky down there. Yeah. You saw it. I mean, it has a lot going on down here that I need to get rid of. So I have to organize, and I'm going to go to Dollar General and see what I can find in there, y'all, because I want some little baskets to put underneath these cabinets. I wanted to order something off of Temu because I saw some things, but y'all, it's gonna take forever for Temu, and I need something like right now because I want to get it together. So I'm going to Dollar General tomorrow, and I'm gonna see what I can find. But let's get to stripping this bathroom. And remember, I'm not cleaning the bathroom today. I'm cleaning it tomorrow, because I'm gonna spray everything down, the shower, toilet. I'm spraying everything down, and I'm gonna let it sit overnight, and then I'm gonna come in here tomorrow and clean this bad boy after I get off work. Okay, so let's get to stripping.
All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon, get a room, doing our thing. windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
400. I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace, we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission, but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout.
Okay, so I've done okay, y'all, I'm back. So I'm already done. I sprayed the bathroom down. I was gonna spray my toilet down. That's what I was saying. I was gonna spray down my toilet, but I may have to get up and use the bathroom tonight, so I don't want to spray it down and not wipe it down. So I really wanted to just make sure I got the shower sprayed down because that's what I really wanted to see. And everything else I'm just gonna do tomorrow. But I may go ahead and try to go through the stuff down here, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, I don't even want to bother with it, but your girl gotta do what she gotta do.
Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of a brand new ride.
Wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just tryna get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gon' be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters.
Okay, so I am done straightening up down here. It is empty, and I'm also going to see if I can find some of those little, you know how you line your kitchen cabinets with those little rubber things? I guess they're rubber. I'm going to try to put some right here, and I'm going to try to put some where I have all of this stuff right here. I want to put some right there as well on those. So I'm going to see what I can do at Dollar General tomorrow, y'all. But like I said, I have started, and all I have to do is clean tomorrow, and then I'll be good. Okay, I'll be good. All I have to do is clean, and I do want to get a new one of those shower holders, like where you put all your stuff on. I want to get rid of that brown one because I don't have brown in here anymore. I have light colors coming in this bathroom. I think it's white and gray. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like, but y'all got to come back tomorrow and watch my vlog because I'm going to end off this vlog. So this is a be continued vlog. So y'all make sure y'all come back and see me clean my bathroom and also see how my new colors are going to look. Okay, I'm trying to do a little something. But anyway, y'all, thank you for watching. Y'all come back tomorrow to see me do my bathroom. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh, excuse me, little piggy. Okay, so y'all come back tomorrow to see what my bathroom is going to look like after I get it together. I'm going to do my best. I'm not the best at decorating, but I'm going to do my best to try to get this bathroom together for 2 people now, because you know I've been a one single woman for a minute. So I'm going to get it together. I'm just taking away a lot of things that were from my past and removing it. And now I'm just about to start my future with my husband. Okay. But anyway, y'all, make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, and share. Come back tomorrow, okay? Come back tomorrow. Hit that like button, subscribe once again, and share once again. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.